Today I'm going to read Kitty Cat and Fat Cat. Kitty Cat and Fat Cat. Kitty Cat ran into the red leaves. Fat Cat looked down at Kitty Cat. "Go away, Kitty Cat," said Fat Cat. "I'm looking for a mouse." Fat Cat's tail went up and down, up and down. "Here comes a mouse," said Fat Cat. Fat Cat looked at the mouse. Kitty Cat ran up to Fat Cat's tail. "Meow," said Kitty Cat. "Meow," said Fat Cat. The mouse ran away. "Meow," said Fat Cat. "Here I come, Kitty Cat." Kitty Cat ran. Fat Cat ran too. Kitty Cat ran for home. Kitty Cat went in the little door.